Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV news. So, I had some opinions on Utando Nestembu and I shared them with my TikTok people. So, I thought to go to Norman, let me also come and share them with you. So, these are my views when it comes to the first episode of Utando Nestembu season 8. Bazalwane le kae? I'm good. Nna kopa le ska mpethane. Guys, ke taba tsa TV ke re tlo bola ka taba tsa TV. Re ska bethana, re ska hetana, right? I want us to talk about Uthando Nestembu, right? That just premiered. That episode that premiered yesterday. So, let us discuss uMamncane first. Number 5. Number 5 akanfaneli no undlubani lo girl. Ishoni. Yes, I remembered. Untombi from Unganele. Like uMamncane akanfanele nontombi from Unganele. Like I just saw her. I just saw untombi from Unganele. It's or big sister. Or kwenzakalani. Akazi man. Remember untombi was dating uNhlanhla. Thank you, that couple. But nonetheless, uMamncane mina for mina, mncane uMamncane Jehovah. But I get the aim is for Selegu ukuthi abe na more children. But what shook me, ile yase msamo naloya noma ungaphandle. Yeah, but where he was talking to his mom and calling people by name, athi sengikhathele generalize. Where about this season 8 aziyabuya. Can we also agree ukuthi Uthando Nestembu it's one of the greatest shows where it always gives siyakhathala siyabakwatela asibathandi, but they are always serving, and every season you'll fall in love with the other wife and fall out of love with the other. This season uthande lo ungathandi lo. But what caught me or my attention the most, and I was like, not Mayeni leaving for whatever reason, but her packing her bags. I was like, you go girl. We never thought in our dreams ukuthi uMayeni angathi pakisha umthwalo ndigoduke. I know. What did you think about it? But I enjoyed it properly.